Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have a special one, guys. It's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And on today's videos I have a very special, and I'm just within at my project here. So this is what I was coming with it right now here, and I'm trying to cover with this like a small ladder here, so maybe to avoid maybe kids falling inside. But as soon I'm going to work on it, and I haven't completed my project, but I'm on the process of digging them, so the guy make our deal to be fail. But anyway, guys, on this side we have the birds. They try to sing melodious song very early in the morning here. As you can see, today it's a beautiful day. You can see right there where I was coming from. We have the birds here, guys. Just a minute. That's the birds. So last week, I think last month, the birds migrate, and right now the birds come at home. That's a sign of blessing. You heard? Look. And they're yellow in color, yellow and black, the mixture of yellow and black in color. Let me show you. But it's far away. You heard? We have a lot of birds. Me, I feel so good when I have that birds. It creates good intention. And you know, the moment I didn't chase the birds far away, the birds could camp here. Look, look, look. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Look. They are jumping here, moving from one tree to another, singing melodious song. You know, guys, the crazy thing about the birds, it can sing love song, it can sing lullaby song, you know. So anyway, guys, on today's videos, it's a combination videos, so it's concerning with my projects. And then I'll go to in Tanzania to make my mom small shopping for buying for her tomatoes. And I normally recommend going to Tanzania to buy some tomatoes, because somehow Tanzanian currency are cheaper. And then if I have $1, I can make a shopping for $1. It's a huge shopping, but I think minimum shopping there. So I'm just around at my home, east to west. Home is the best. When I'm around at my home, I normally start my video here. As I go around the village or go outside of my village, I normally start my video at my home, and then to keep pushing these videos. So in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe, because of the noise of my birds right there. You know, it came and camping there, so I don't want to disturb them. You heard? So let me keep distance from the birds. So anyway, guys, at the far end, my mama, she was in the farm digging, and I myself, I went in Tanzania to buy some tomatoes to bring for my mom's. Actually, to be honest, guys, on my yesterday videos, you see my engineer, and that's my professional engineers. He will be here this year, but I'm not sure which month. But right now, I'm just grinding so hard, guys. I'm telling you, dreams are coming to reality. So I'm within at my home, and I wanna go this way to see my mama. So she told me she wanna send me some tomatoes. I think this is the right and best time to go in Tanzania, and then I'll come back. Oh, this is a crowbar. You found it here for knocking somebody. But now these days, nobody could be beaten with this crowbar. In Swahili, it's known as rungu. Rungu is a crowbar. I think a crowbar. It's knocking like, So guys, let's go this way. This one even for chasing the wild animal. Wow. So guys, I'm going to say hello to my mom, and then I will ask her how much tomatoes that I'm going to purchase in Tanzania. Imagine guys, maybe it's a crazy moment, a day like this. She'll be rushing to Tanzania, purchasing tomatoes, but this one I should keep it there. So guys, this muram here, or this red soil that you see here, I will use it to come back to my mom's house. I'm telling you. And technically I have another one right there, you know. I have another one right there for the toilet. I keep it the other side. I have this one here for the compact for my mom's house. I'm telling you, and that very, very concrete. If you make screening and everything, all the ground within here, imagine, I'm telling you, wow. So soon you wouldn't see this house here. Hey, and I give the engineer, they give me some quotation and measurement, you know. There is a guy selling banana here. Can I get a hook here? I think I hook here. Can I hook here? Kero ni hukuhira. Tate wantu sumanse. Hukuhira ken.
Ni kukulia nkuya. Teke nante Amerika.
Hai. Kwani ni vitoke?
Mana matoka kala guys kuharnaga.
Hai.
Hara.
Antai hara sasi uratuna maege antani.
Kala batu ni nyambara nakage kugule. Rewango kyo nagate mira tamuka bagini kuranga.
Tutai. Tamuka ambeti. So guys, I met him immediately guys. He wants sold banana. If you know that banana, it's a cooked banana, and most of the people known as maybe matoke. I know in Uganda they call it matoke. This, I'm telling him, this one are nice when you cook with matumbo.
Even me, I love matumbo and banana.
When you mix matumbo with banana, matumbo is a small intestine for cow. When you went to the butchery, you purchase them. There's a day I'll try to cook matumbo with rice for my family. I hope you guys you're ready for that. I'm telling you. So I was going around through my village to show you.
My ground.
In my ground. You sell what you have. Unauza kenyuna? Unaenda hivi? Oro nitakuya over you ni Tahiru getoke. Tahiru getoke. Yes, I'm telling him, you just go and sell your banana. Tana sasi. Okay, so he went to sell the banana. Imagine guys, I was going down and then to see my project maybe off camera because that mother for that guy embarrassing me, so I don't want maybe to go there with maybe shooting my videos. So I'm going to see the work for today. Oh, the pickup is coming at my back. It is what it is. So we keep going down that way. Imagine my home is there. Wow. That's the pickup. Hey, here you go. Going down, 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 down. So anyway, guys, I'm going to check my bricks. So at the same time, I'm on the process of burning them. So I want to know whether everything is okay. And from next week, I wanna start cutting down of trees, like buying from my neighbors here and there. So actually, that's my big aim, to burn the bricks, to deliver transfer from here to my home. I use all money to spend in my project, but which is a good thing. I can't complain. Even the borehole, I will use it like round to construct by using my bricks. I would never go and buying the bricks, but if my bricks is already, I can use it maybe constructing the borehole. When it's not ready, I'll buy another one. So let's go and see. Let's go and see, guys. The green nature on the other side. Oh my God. It's a beautiful morning, guys, from East Africa, Kenya. You can see on the comment section, and let me know what do you think about on today's vlog. So wow, I think our deal is done, guys. So right now I was working through my firewood, so you can see the guy have already brought the firewood here. Wow. Ooh. Hey, the house is full of bricks, I'm telling you. So it's time to burn them. I'm looking for the firewood, guys, like one tractor to burn them. And I love the way this guy maybe secure my bricks inside here. You see, guys, I have a lot of bricks, 10,000 plus. We have another one here. So, but this one are not mine. To be honest, maybe he started another project. It's not mine, guys. So mine is that one that are inside the house. So guys, I'm looking the money maybe by next week to buy some firewood and then to burn them. So I need to put things in order. Wow, I'm telling you guys. So right now, let me check the time. It's 8:30 a.m. That's my local time. Wow, that's my local time here. So I'm keep rolling my camera to the end. Wow, guys, to show you amazing view. In case you are new here, please subscribe, share my videos, comment, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. What are you thinking about? You could have an area.
Trying to get the money, my friend.
I don't know area. I know to come to know how got.
Yeah. Take one of us.
We are in the bush. The ferry and Nakaruchi have one. Who know and I don't care about to be Bizarra.
I don't boost to some better.
Yeah, Emma, can you get any chunk or hit to the father? Don't mind it. You have got. Keja. You have got candy. Conan. I can eat order to a high. But I made a more. To read Bahiri Gamba, Athens Caneva Mogondo Hararaga Mboruki. I he was best friend of mine. Actually, for him, I can show him on camera. Why not? So guys, I'm keep going around, and then I'm going to meet with my mom on my vlog. But when I'm shooting this video at home, I'm supposed to meet with my mom first, but the guy with banana confused me. I'm totally mess. I'm supposed to say hello to my mom and going to Tanzania, but the guy with banana divert my mind. But all in well, let's go. Let's go. When I'm going to Tanzania, I will use this road, going and purchasing some tomatoes. I'm telling you. So let's go. Wow, 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 wow. Africa, the green land. Africa, the motherland. You can tell, guys, it's green, purely green. Wow. But guys, remember, on today's vlog, I'm going to meet with my mom in the farm, and then she wanna send me tomatoes in Tanzania. So maybe I use another shortcut. Wow. That's my outfit. My outfit. Hello, baby. Right here. Guys, you mean the world to me, and I really appreciate for the love and support. Guys, I'm almost 7,000 subscribers. Me, I'm the guy who climbing the ladder step by step. Step by step. You know, I'm down, up, like that way. And then one day, I'll meet myself at 10,000K subscriber. You know, maybe guys, one day. Hey, this is a sharp corner here. Oh, I must be very careful. You know, this is a sharp corner here, within here. So I must be very, very careful. Wow. So that's how we go. And wow. Let's go. Let me know what my mom expects a day like this. My mom, she went to the farm. She doesn't have any clue what is going on. But guys, to be honest, I have the money for buying my sister's school bag. So because of time here and there, I didn't manage. Look, the village dog. Hey, it's running there, being scared. But me, I'm scared. I'm a guy who scared the dog. I'm telling you. Let's go. There's another pickup here. Hey. I made 2 pickup. Maybe one day pickup will be the part of my dream car. Maybe. Wow. So I'm going this way. Imagine my brother's where he rented the land is on the other side. So I'm going this way, guys. To see how our day go. Wow. Right here. All of these are napier grass here for the cow. Let's go and see. I'm trying to pass here at this shortcut road here. Guys, at this quiet morning, I'm wearing the short when I'm at home here. This is my short right here. So walking, you know, guys, walking. I'm telling you, these are napier grass here. You see? Wow. Let's go and meet my mom in the farm. Wow. So guys, I didn't that on the other side we have the funeral, so we have a louder music. But maybe I didn't know whether it can affect my videos. But all in well, let's go. Let's do this. Wow. Should I pass here? Why not? Oh my god. We have the blackjack inside here. But all in well, slowly divide to the end. This is another napier grass here, right here. So I'm going to see my mama in the farm. Oh, look at Brad. But it's okay. This is a banana plantation inside here. See, right there. Guys, anyway, welcome to my brother's farm where he rented and planted the maize. Wow. So I want to have the sweet talk with my mom. It is what it is. This is my brother's maize right here. You see? Maybe after 3 to 4 months, again I'll show you how the maize grows so quick. My mother is just right there. So I'm going to greet my mom. You know, when I wake up early in the morning, I want to greet my mom, greeting my great grandmother at maybe midday, not midnight, midday. So right now, my great grandma, she didn't wake up right now. You know, it's quite early morning over here. So maybe at the end of the videos, you will see. You see my grandma. Wow, guys, I'm telling you, my mother is working so hard to make sure that their family puts something on table. Why not? So she tried to help my brother who went to school. Yeah. Say hello.
Hello.
You're digging? Okay. Hard work, mom.
Hey.
Guys, I think yesterday I showed you my mama digging here. Today, you see? Wow. These are djembe. Small metallic stuff known as djembe. You know, me, I'm totally confused. In Swahili, known as djembe. In English, also djembe. Let me know in now, maybe in a Latin language, maybe outside there. Djembe, djembe, djembe. See, guys, mama working so hard. Mom,
Hey.
chila sa chini usori chinyani.
Sayo mako vipi?
Chaireng.
Kiri kanuti kamusiri.
Okay, guys. In the morning, when mama came to the farm, he calling me, and she want to send me tomatoes in Tanzania. So I need to rush from here up to Tanzania at this moment. Wow. Guys, this is the blackjack. Catch me on my shot. Catch me on shot. So guys, I'm trying to remove the blackjack right here. You know, we have some crazy clothes like this to catch up with the blackjack if you pass on the farm. I'm telling you. Even right here. That's my beautiful African mom. I love my mom, guys. You know. Okay, my mom. Right now I'm going to Tanzania to buy those tomatoes. No pressure. You dig. And you make sure, mama, you eat good. You eat strong. You eat strong breakfast. Unakula heavy breakfast. Because we're working so hard. So as I'm telling mama, you make sure that you eat strong breakfast as you came to the farm. Because my family is the one that made me to make or to go hard on my dream. So like to make sure that my family puts something on table. I'm telling you. My family are a serious family, like not joke family. Imagine my mom went to the farm, young brother, my sister went to school very early in the morning. I myself, I wake up right now. Right now I'm going to Tanzania purchasing tomatoes. And mom, thank you so much for the love and support. To be honest, I purchased the collar belts for my dog, and also the chain, the new chain one. But most of the people ask me, hello baby, now you buy a bigger chain, like a bigger collar neck. My good people, I went to the grocery where they sold maybe pet stuff. I found that one, but the rest are bigger. Why not hello baby, guys? But all in well, me, I'm just keep flowing the vibe, you know, until the end. That's my grandma, beautiful cows right here. Wow. Right there. So I want to take my baby outside, because right now guys, I'm heading to border town, guys. So this is my grandma home. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about on today's vlog? But the guy for digging the borehole, he came yesterday, like I was not around here, so I was waiting him to see the reaction, what he think about my borehole, because I give him a job, and he tried to joke with my job or my project. So he came yesterday in the evening. I was not around here, but my mom passed my message, so I'm waiting him. When I'm going to border town, I came and wait him right here. I want to ask him, what do you think about my project? I have two options. Like, I have two options: to continue digging the borehole, or I send him back to look another guy. But me, I think I want to send him back to look for the next serious people who want money, who want job, you know. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going inside to take my baby, and when I'm saying baby, maybe other people confused. I'm going inside to take my bike and also my helmet. So guys, stay tuned. Wow guys, I'm outside. The cow is sleeping right here. Right now I'm heading to Boya town, so to buy tomatoes for my mom. Actually, I'm going to Tanzania. Crossing to Tanzania are simple. So this is my baby here. So it's time to go. And wherever you are, my friend, thank you so much. Right now my bike has full tank of the gas. Oh my god. Let's go. Up to Bora town. I left home right now, so technically guys, I'll be back. So far so good. I'm on helmets. Wow. I'm heading this way, guys. Full of helmets. I'm telling you guys. Full of helmets right now. Keep going down, guys. Going down, 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 down. Going down. Why did you? Answer it down. Going down. Unaenda shoot video. Unaenda video yangu shoot. Pia. I was struggling with my bike here. Alright guys, I'm heading to border town. So right now, we're full of my helmet right now here. Let's go. Wow. It's a bright morning guys. Right now you can see. So at the far end guys, we have the funeral, so I don't like copyright for the music guys. Alright guys, we're going. So we have our local school here known as Sachiva. Wow. Hey, that's Yamaha guys, I'm telling you. Not Yamaha, Honda. You know Honda is a big company for the motorcycles, vehicle, or like engines, you know, generators. Wow. So we keep going. At my normal speed was 10 kilometers per hour. 10 kilometers. You know. So that's the reason why you had me talking on camera. I'm not going at a higher speed. Guys, every day I was passing on this road going to border town. Every day. If it was your first time to this place, please let me know in the comment section. Wow. So we have a dump site right here. It's a municipal dump site. Right here. Sit down inside there guys. Have a lot of rubbish. Look inside there guys. That's an entry. Wow. From here guys, it's 300 meters apart to meet the tarmac road. I'm telling you. Let's go. So guys, I meet the tarmac road which connect East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. The far end guys, I see some kids. I didn't understand whether today is a parent day in school or how it's come. How comes guys? Maybe today is a parent day in school. It's right here. See the bigger dog? Right there. Wow. Kids are going back home. Wow. Guys, this video starts from my home up to border town. Like nothing could be hide anymore. See the kids here. At the far end I see somebody pulling water on a bicycle. I'm telling you guys, real hustle. See? That's big tipper right there. Wow. Me, as long as my bag is full of gas, my work is to look the content. At the end of maybe the day, I say, God, thank you so much. The limit was 50 kilometers from here, riding to Border Town. New petrol station by the name Shell. Oh, look at this. Woo. Keep going. They throw rubbish here. Imagine. Tuk-tuk. And you have people working in government. They are joking. They are not serious. Maize corn right there. I think all these trucks transport goods and services. Oh. We keep moving. We keep rolling these videos to the end. You know. Even on the top. Wow, this border town for you. It is border town for you. So we keep moving on. Hang was it? Yams. Who was again? Oh. So it keep going. Wow. Let's go, guys. I'm continue going. Wow. Right here we have the bank, KSB Bank. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. This is border town for you. I'm telling you guys for free. But when I'm crossing to Tanzania at the border or migration office, I'm supposed to pause my videos. Wow. Border town at large. So right here, border town at large. Now guys, right now I crossed the border, so technically I'm in Tanzania. Oh, tourist car. We're rolling this camera to the end. So guys, this Tanzania for you. They are very cool, nice day. A day like this, it's a very amazing day, I'm telling you. Man, I'm in Tanzania. Crossing to Tanzania, no passport, no visa, it's free. I'm telling you, it's free. Wow. You must be very careful. Going this way. Oh. Somehow it's crazy, guys. You know? Wow. I wanna left my bike at my friends within the shop that are selling clothes as we keep moving on. I'm telling you, me, I'm the guy who climbing ladder step by step. Guys, right now I'm parking my bike there at my friend's shop within here. Wow, look at these clothes, man. Very nice. So they sold even sandals, open shoes, trouser, vest. So I left my bike here. So he was the one who take care of my bike. So I'm in Tanzania, and most of the time I purchase clothes here. But nowadays, man, I'm not contented buying clothes. Open. Ini number 40.
Yeah.
Inaweza nitosha. Guys, let me see. But it can fit. Murambana zinitosha. Mani za kichuga. Guys, I'm looking where it can fit. One day when I get money, I will buy. Ni shingapi? Pesa ya Kenya. Guys, $20 to go. Not even $20, $15 to go. I'm telling you, $15. So it's 1,500 Kenyan shillings. In number 41. Sasa hakuna 40. Guys, I need the open shoes. Like these are open. So like my leg can breathe. Oh. Guys, but I didn't come to bargain or buying shoes. I just left my bike from this guy here in Tanzania. When I get money, I'll come for it. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'll give you a motorbike to ride. No worry. Na rongi unauzaje? Lakini bara uletagi mizigo mpya ni ile tu. Na hii? Guys. Hii simu ilikuwa inaitwaje? Nikumbushe. Inaitwaje hii simu? This is a phone call. We normally found in house. So inafanya menu, record, mute, exit. Sim 1, sim 2. This one is to dial maybe the number 0740 something. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, guys, I'm heading to the market. So I was having a sweet talk with my friend here. Nkuringando ge. Tamaru pikipiki. Maana kubatu pikipiki uju toki hapa. Nikore ingia chukue rongi na shati ya yeni mzimino nikitangana. Afu mzazi. Na hakuna kile kiangamizi. We have even the shoes, guys. What? Ile ingine ndio iko. These are nice shoes here, Air Max. Anyway, guys, money is everything. So right now, I'm heading this way, guys. Me, I'm telling you, I don't fear anybody here. I shoot my video as I can. I'm telling you. So even right now, I'm going to buy some tomatoes. Let's go and see, guys. Going to buy some tomatoes, guys. I'm telling you, this is how Tanzania looks like. Let's go. Wow. Maybe I'm trying to avoid maybe some copyright. I keep going this way. So to buy some tomatoes. They are selling shoes here. Right here, guys. But sorry for the music, guys. Let's go and see. Imagine I came to buy some tomatoes. Only tomatoes. Tomatoes. only tomatoes. They're selling sardines even right here. Let's go and see, guys. Oh, tomatoes like this. Leo sina kari ya bike. Nifungie nyanya.
Za shingapi bosi wangu?
Bosi wangu za 100. Kwa nenda. Lakini nitanigisu. Never.
Konda hapo mwanje kuja. Baba customer.
Iya hayo. Hapa maana zitaanguka kwa pikipiki.
Ndakutura kukaso.
So these tomatoes, guys. So when I was passing other side, I didn't understand whether the copyright would maybe capture my videos. But all in way, I came to purchase tomatoes here. I'm gonna run to reach in Kesai. Where? Ketumanga mazenti kama. Where? Asante.
Ready? Mayugulu?
Mayugulu.
Mambo vipi?
Mambo shwari. Nipa samaki yangu. Tuone kabisa.
Hapo hesabu
Uwe, mayugulu. Ye mayugulu. Mayugulu. Mama zero nataka kagi nsu yanga neno 250. Nikapika kakakuwa hivi. Wewe,
hizo ni 250 nalibulia 250.
Mungu moja hivi. Haka 250. Hata nobo hako gori chinsu. Sinu leo. Leo na market. Ahe. Guys, they are selling fish here. They have tomatoes right here for $1. Telling you guys. Hey, mister. Say something. Kana roho yangu wanguri nsianga neno 170. 170 gani ukanuza 250?
Haya 150 leo.
Kama nitakuwa nakujua nigonga bei.
Haya leo nataka
mimi kwambie kweli.
150. Leo nataka nikuuzie bei chini sasa. Nimekubali mwenyewe Mr. James na kuuzia samaki bei chini.
100.
Wewe so after
100. Zimetoka leo baharini.
Ndio imeingia saa hizi.
Haya. Tiangenda zingatia maokoto.
Niweke ngapi?
Yaani zingatia maokoto nichi. So na nimenunua nyanya. Lakini wewe tuelewane.
Atakufanya 150.
Ile samaki yangu utaniongeza.
Wewe kuja uone hapa.
Hiyo umeuzia mtu amekataa.
Mimi nauza bei chini.
Guys, right now I'm heading home after shopping, guys, right here. So I left Tanzania. I'm telling you guys, that's how Tanzania looks like. So in case you are new here and it doesn't have clothes going on, oh man, nigga, shopping. So guys, I'm crossing the border right now. Right now, guys, I'm in my country, Kenya. So I keep going home. Wow. So guys, imagine I'm crossing from Tanzania, heading home right now. The shopping right here, you know, there's tomatoes, because maybe in Kenya here I could buy around maybe 300, but in Tanzania only 150 Kenyan shillings. So we're heading this way. Keep moving. Guys, I'm back home. with tomatoes right here. So I need to put inside the house, and then my mom will use later, guys. So all the best. I'm just over here, and as you keep enjoying these videos, more amazing videos coming, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Right now I'm around at home, so I had the guy who dig the boat for the first time. He calling me. He came back, but I need to talk with him. So right now I will send him back, because tomorrow's morning we have new guy who are serious, need a job. So let me hear the message from him, what he needs, and then we sort out. So guys, this is my beautiful home right now. We have the small round right there, here and there. Wow. So let's go, guys, and see. I hope, guys, you are ready for this. This is my baby right here. This is the bohor. Msaka. Bono. Na tunazoenda ni mora. Makiboreke. Oh. Takaza takeri hapa anda. Toro kubatia, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah, my name is Christopher. I am here from my areas, from the in. My friend is
so
baby, my friend.
Hata nikuulize, mbona ukuji kuchimba kisima?
Kwa sababu mtu yenye nilikuwa naye alikuwa mgonjwa. Sasa venye alikuwa mgonjwa ningefanyaje? Nisingechimba peke yangu.
Na kulipa ama sikulipi?
Pesa unanipea kabisa.
Guys, I'm asking him.
Unanipea pesa kabisa.
If you dig the borehole, did you pay you or not? He told me, na kulipa ama sikulipi?
Unanilipa.
Na kulipa, si ndio?
Kabisa.
Shida ni gani uchimbi kisima?
Mwenzangu alikuwa mgonjwa.
Okay. Dako kwa spambaji. Haipa kugulia. Imagine, guys, I gave this guy the job, he didn't come. Imagine, look. So today you see, look, he came at this moment. Yesterday I was not around here. He came, and then my mama gave me information. So you're going to the deep. Let me see my mama. Okay. Futi 11 mwana, nataka kuipa. Yaboni. Enda pale kwa meza ile chini. That's my sister, Martha Nyaboni. She came from school. I need to say hello to you guys. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, umetoka shule. Alafu enda pale uchukue mkate. Lakini uone chini ya meza ile TV chini hivi, uone futu nilete.
Najua perudia.
So I'm telling him, go inside my house, bring the food, and then you take the bread. Hey mama, you're so tired. Mama, make sure you eat. You could. Oh no. See me at the temerwe. That's a good sumanzi. Come on, tumia wazazi wangu ende kuongea. Lazima tusubati. Well, guys, so I need the food. I want to confirm, and the guy came random right now. Yeah.
Lakini hano yiga. Roma kamenta hano niga. Bale baba kibanda bako kisisa haki hano.
Asa mara ba mbene Kigali. Toba wote ba otukiri chembe, guys. I think you can see.
La ba otukira ne bunchi. Lakini niga. Plus na ebunchi eyo. Nemanye plus na ebunchi eyo. Tobanye digi kisima keno hahararu hanse hara. Hano kera hana ora gituke kihike habo garbe na guchana boiga. Hano bora tuko ke hobe ni kanga ramba hanse. So kiri herwe. Tobanye ga hanse haran kiri chengero. Kwa sababu mbe nkoba makakere nikana nakoma hore buya.
Guys, you see right?
Nkoba makakere nge hanse hano.
Hanse ne karabati rotor.
Karabati tumeza lazima kikali hipo ya mbekira yake.
Okay. Thank you. You wash your hand, you take bread. Bro, come say hello. Aya, nakupa food. Tata yangu la tande.
Ona beta hiki. No naleta na geto kochike.
Ndage rambore. Say hello.
Hello.
You came from school?
Yeah.
Greet my people.
What's up, guys? Wherever you are, good morning, good evening.
It depends the time.
It depends the time.
We are watching this vlog.
While watching this vlog from. Yeah. Me, I am just okay. I'm coming from school. I'm just came to take a little of food and go back.
Imagine I give this guy the job.
Yeah.
He did 2 days, 3 days.
And
He ran away the whole 1 week after receiving money from me. So today it's a kind like no, like sending him back, right? So Msaka sold the food. Tarabara. Tage marambu.
Tagote rambu ayo.
Rambu were.
Ena futi ngapi wa hikiri? Futi 25.
Hikiri 25. Imagine that foot at a range of 25 feet and 7.5 meter. Okay.
So tata kuchami.
I think you can see the guy inside right there deeply.
Good, just tell me how much food up?
Ito masuli hiyo. Sasa onkerengi futi 18. Almost 24. Keta meri chinchika da. Nchini. Ike 19.
Good.
Okay. Hey.
Aratu kire, karatoma gamba pere palenge. Bono mohono.
Imagine mom. Futi 11 mpaka 18. Alichimba karibu futi 7. Ogambe yake hanki hike.
Hano bara hano chira ai hansi futi 10.
Guys, I need to send him back, and by tomorrow morning you see another people who are serious. Okay, take that fit. Bring my patia sister on your penyelikwa. Give to my sister that fit and returning back. You see this guy? He came with an excuse. Aisema kero msakatero kera hapa moke bono. Abra hanse hara.
Te hanse nteri gani goro hano. Roma hanse hara. Hano kera tuko kihike ndo tuna bunyuri manchega kila siku.
Ntore nende goriri karabati.
Na makarabati amarumba ga Roma hawai ha. Uchokora makarabati kama gara umontora tore hara. Ki litoro ga karamba.
Erimu.
Atatu. Na atatora tore karembe ufauru. Hande hano.
He told me deep on the ground I must put the carabat, like 3 of them, so when maybe the ball like getting crack on the ground doesn't affect.
Hanse ne manyiriga. Hanse hano ne manyiriga. Kana geke jono honi nyumba hanse. Mahodo kugi bukwene amarobaga nganaga kwa.
Imagine guys. If could you, what could you do for him? Me, I need to send him back at home. Karabati round.
Akini hande hano tume goma tonu ko chakuruta manje hano akori ne getaro kichoro bangu bongo ra Kenya ngo itama kiri bitachero bira anyora kenyu ga garra manje ga tota
Amando ga ring round ga ba otoro ko para
ora ma abo kiboga mo se mono
otoro ga kama de meno na actor. So guys, sorry for the vernacular language. He tried to console with my mom, like explaining, like when the borehole reached, we found water. We put the carabat, of which I agreed with his idea. So by right now, no business with him. Oh, kundi kila boy. Pano anda kwa hii job. Wiki tena nchia kwa sasa iromara kutabu takataka. Tego. Iromara kutabu takataka tena wiki tena kwa kolega. Imagine guys, me no idea with him, no business with him. So after this board could be completed, tomorrow is another guy here. Even today, imagine people like invited them at my home, needs work. And me, when I give people's work, didn't want to do. I give them money. I asked him, did you pay you any money? I paid him money every when he finished up digging the borehole. Nane.
kiba 39 mancho wasa kina pesa 20 na tano na stay hana bai karabali choka o mahama iromani
bare bambiga atake tayahari sarasina sita bare bagambe
sarasina sita bono na mancho kabisa sigono mancho
imagine guys. Hi, guys, I got that chapter, so I'll show him where they can dig the whole we normally use to throw maybe the remaining food here and there, because my family, it's extended family at my uncles have the kids, need to throw the pampers inside there, so I'm trying to see whether I can put that okay, that it's like a kind of image of the toilet, so I need like 10 feet and then to throw those stuff inside. Tell me again, Tanya, ni hende kuhutuki watu wachota chama vivana fakane
rabi bichamba kahayo ile 55 botambi ga bokali ga 53 botambi ga 55 bokali ga 53
okay 5 feet by 3
limere buya kabisa wima mpaka chini kwa
futi ngapi? Futi 10 ngutuna oranso 10 torera ke rumwen
bana tomanye liga nyoriga kure ga sima ki orome gambo utamanya kwa kai
guys, I'm telling you again. Umora mugora ya hara
manyere kutunze mera munane mera ko chamba
all right guys, on the borehole, no business with him, so I'll give you here.
Yeah,
Jumatatu wasori chimbira chao utuke
Jumatatu
kode ando icho Jumatano hata pa utuka hara Monday I will give them the money, and also you come with your balance.
Yeah,
I will give you here the job to dig for me like a pit train to throw maybe rubbish inside.
Yeah.
10 feet. Ni futi ni renga.
500.
How comes the borehole you dig for me 300? How comes?
Just give me 400, my friend.
Ugutuka kwa hands.
Omanyiriga na hakari. Omanyiriga maroba ndazi maroba.
Okay. 10 times 4.
Yeah.
That's 4,000.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you 3,000.
No, 350.
Guys, let me see. 300 times 10, that's 3,000. I'll give you 3,000.
I want to 500. 350.
Why 350?
Yeah.
You know, right now I'm not a bank. I must bargain. I give you 300.
Even me.
You
even
dig
me,
deep.
Even me. I am.
Ngote every.
Chinguru.
Yeah? I know. Okay. Since you dig my borehole, did my mama give you the food? Mama gonna kupa chakula. My mom give you food.
Yeah.
Breakfast.
Yeah.
Lunchtime.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, pay you money.
Yeah.
Why not? So here, it's 5 by 3.
Yeah.
Even like, imagine my toilet, I dig around 300 each feet, and it's 12 feet by 6. I'm telling you, 300.
I am cheating you, my friend.
Okay, me, I'm not cheating you.
Yeah.
I agree. There is a maybe negotiation price. This is the second chance I give you the job. First one, you lose it. By tomorrow morning, you send other people digging. If you want to start today, you can start.
Yeah, 300.
You have to go 300. 300. Okay. Na tunegasi ukivanse rohi.
Wenu borante hivi. Mana kame yukurani ya kuira kwa rumu nyene.
Imagine guys. Chisi doesn't kuchimbiro kore. Para mama mkipaka tomera. Imagine guys. I give him another chance. But not now guys. When I get money, he will start digging here because I don't want maybe my uncle's kids like throwing everywhere, like you know, pampers and maybe the remaining food they must throw inside here. But in future, this place could be the part of my compound here. Maybe this one I would, for now, for emergency guys, but in future, maybe my compound will start from here going down that way. So let's see. So Christopher Gentine, unajita Christopher Gentine. So I had to send you back. I'm telling you, at this moment, I'll send you back. Hey guys, I give him a job. Hi. Hano Honda, my gas in Chereko. What are you heading to? That's an incher. I'm telling you guys, I need to send him back. Because right here her. Come
Ora mahanda sas ke ora akore obadi isma ke jung ke tapigiti. Ora bhawi ke taharo ke jo. Uhirega okirega garamba ka haro ko nyuri amanje. Obotere hayo mahesa isi. Sekuru hara o mahiga piga pesa.
Sasa keno ni goro kere.
Hata ke be goro.
Haya. Kwani keno kere ngina kere.
Omanyiriga kera ambeke nyuri amanje yango ti. Kama haseno hasilanti liga kama ke hano hasilanti liga. Amanje ka ndene anse kalbi kongu. Na hano iga hano hasekiyiga. Amanje ke bela uskar ke gase ke yango tira kali bucheguru.
Kadabe iribu muna iretere gante bi ganda tigoro hano. Kamuri kana keno kamba okay. Right. Guys, I had a lot of things to do at home here, but I'm kinda total mess. So imagine, may I give people's work to put something on table. I can go to no. What no time koreo? Eno ni rengo kwa henry goro har.
Eno. He go to Kongombe har. Ya kuja.
Ma haraiga.
Oh ma. Ebe hani.
Guys, I want to transfer these balance stones here toward other side, because when the time reach, I want to build my mom's dream house, so it could be easy for the workers or handman. Even me on that day, I will be the part of the handman working serious. Yeah. Han. Irengo kawarage heni. Na bira kama biga ibi heter hara sana. Biri baro sarasin. Biranga usaporo bebe bira koroga bira lemero bira tegero no gara lekero has okay
gara no ga kuruho bona ra toro ko rimbe to korogo safi has hareko ma ni gona na ga temba sei
this way maybe this month guys I'll add the balance stones or sand. I'll see, but I think sand I'll do it at the last day, you know. So my engineer told me maybe you're supposed to add more than this. Like you have, if it's 4-bedroom, I must add to have like 15 tippers. And right now I have brought here 6 tippers, so 9 more tippers to go. Taregasi arta okiriche. Ata okiriche mba iteganisia.
Ata terangnya besungu pada terang. Ata hayo ndatin se bana hakole ke hayo hakole ga garra baka hayo hunsu hakole buya.
Okay, imagine kumanda kasigisima arangos.
Teguiga uni tiga habiga nkongo sandi no bahana bwe no ku hata unai goro hata mine corona lengi. Mohono to gacha nawe. Mohono kaya kaita ka karora. Roma na keruno ndo bikura ko gambiga wosiba no baba. Karena ya sama honasa herenda ali kubisika tuliga kini bikuyiga tunale ai kulimhiriki akaru hayo yurna na sininga msini ma hakore credit atemerete miano so ngindo pale gas
gas ya negongo rasere gas
ono amite sikuchuno wangaye gas hano kana wantebiri nkamanya etegere bona maro na hara.
Wow, okay, come, imagine I have a lot of work to do. In the month of March, March to like May to June, I would cut those trees down. I need the logs to be uprooted, everything throw away. So I need the like empty space, because I don't want to go far away looking people coming to do some job here, and I have the neighbors who need the job, but he was a kind of a mess with my job. So I'm trying, like to warn him. To warn him, to uncle can you come, but imagine again time. Ilisika kama ndira tuku. Imeteyongera kingo mweso stagionsi. Amasika kama gakota gara tuku maka hanse koroke.
Yusukira rusibwa.
Por mahegas kami haya. Obodongo bono bonsi.
Bole moto tembe fali.
Bole mo potoro hayo. Nda tunasa haje korenga ni nyumbera. Orochi. Imagine. Hey, I need this level. Maybe I'll start by May. I need this level. Iende hivi. Eh, hayo yote yatolewe. Imirigire yonsugire iho. Yasi ni nchero. Bono hano kwambe gasi wakambe excuse yo here ho. Imagine to demolish this house. Ukubomali nyumba ni nchero amakinde ga henibu. Bono mono baba hemutemara.
Tena bikitana makinda ko henibwa. Magambe makinda ganyano karaba morra fuga henibwa. Sukiri.
Hata ngara nku henibwa. Haru musingi ko raheteiga. Nura montara henia. Ibimiro. Kora heta. Kana bono gali tubiri bwandani.
Ngali kama moramu.
Neno moramu.
Moramu kutunza kumbe no.
Imagine guys, a logo like this in future. Wano da tabantu pionsi. Ndi kutuniga he.
Tukaigana rusia baraba kano na butoro hayi mirigejo. Na kono ngo chango butoro hanu garra kono butoro hanu butoro.
Na ora butoro ichumbera toro mo.
Haru uchumbe ko 500 gonzo.
Mbaka hands.
Oh no.
Utuka round.
Oh no.
As I'm telling him, this log here you must dig around until on the ground you find the taproot, you cut and you throw away. Imagine all of this work here. I'm trying to tell him, this year we have a lot of work to do here. I'm telling you guys, serious. Look at this. When the also cut this one from here, going down, the guy needs to take. Now, the stone, you know, because stone will be the part of the house. Sasa imagine honsi na mbakahani na mulituka mbakahani uruchi hano hiyo yote michanga yote maratuka kirasomba ni wiribaro iratoro anyuma
hata nani hili unyu na manye na mafansi betafali
kogeso hajuiga yani geso kyo emaraba ngari karasomba karatoro anyuma
nyuma yegeso hano hatuka garaba kogeso keregeso keranda kimoyo kideno ko ribuya hata mbega kele hatukuya.
Imagine, and here we have the perimeter wall. Hano ntunurugito zugote go fence. Kwa sababu hapa kura pata akoro muhorge barabara yache kusonga bugucho witu. Kuikonge mita 30.
Ana hata unatukuma hemitegeno ari kimya kama kego nigane miru ne hakili sana kono. Lakini gera alogoto.
Guys, that being said, no more business with that guy. But I told him on Monday next week, just come for the balance. So I need to handle these tomatoes to my mom. So probably when I brought the tomatoes, my mom, she was not around here. Wow. So let's see how the day goes. And I need to take my baby to the car wash. I think right now, I'll take my baby to car wash right now to be clean and everything. Oh man. So it's that at all. Where's our body? Okay guys. Imagine. So by tomorrow morning, that being said, you'll see another guy digging here. Like a serious squad. You'll see them here. But right now, no business with that guy. So he came here. He told me, okay, tomorrow I will come. I told him, no. I need a serious people. So these tomatoes right here for $1. So I need to hand it to my mama, and then I left going to Nyabuhans, maybe Nyabuhans or Bora Town, to wash my bike on my baby. So let me chilling here, waiting my mama. Mama, tomatoes is here. Kuna nyanya hapa. So even my mama, with the part of the witness, no business with that, maybe man. So maybe I will look for the serious. And for him, I told him, maybe next week, by God's grace, you dig there like 10 feet, like a pit small one. And then people start throwing inside the pampas, because my family, it's at large. So I don't want maybe to see pampas here and there. These are tomatoes.
Oh.
I brought in the morning and he was not around, so I handed to you. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Alright guys, Mama, me, I'm going to wash my bike in car wash. So right there, so it's a kind of a mess. So I'm heading to Boratan right now or Nyabuhansi, whichever. Wow guys, so right now I'm going to wash the bike. Right there, there's a sweet potatoes vein, and I heard on the comment section people advised me that sweet potatoes is a kind of the veg. I know, but I didn't taste. I know maybe the veggies for maybe yam. So I'm heading this way, take my bike to the car wash because it's a long time, man. So I think I could end the videos at the car wash. We're passing here. Look at this road. It's a kind of a bushy road inside here. Oh my God, look at this place where I'm passing through. Inside here, and I'm passing at Carl Joseph's home right here. You can see right here. Wow. Heading this way. The day goes. I'm telling you guys. Let's go and see how the day goes. That's Brother Daggy's home up at the on the other side. Oh, so guys, it's a kind of a the motorbike is in front of me. It's a kind of a dust right now, because we are on summer season, but as soon we'll be on the part of winter season. So on today's vlog are super amazing. So let's see how the day goes. Up to the car wash. Haha. Wow. No crying. Right now I thank God for this far, and my bike is full of the gas or full of the petrol, whichever the case. Wow. This is how it goes. See Kwana simu. Hey. Wow. I see the spot bike passing me at the top. I'm telling you, one of these days I could have the sport bike. I swear in God, I believe in God. One of these days. Capture that spot. Hey! Sawa. Nimemtuma fi. Orante meri simu. Guys, I see one of the sport bike. I don't know where I can catch that guy. Whoa. I'm going to show you the sport bike. Whoa. Oh my God. Let's do this. Wow. Woo. I'm telling you, that's a sports bike, man. I'm telling you. I was running to show you, but I managed a little bit. Oh. Guys, I want to let my bike. Oh, let me wash. Right now, as I end my video here, guys, I want to say thank you so much for my good subscriber. So you will see how my bike to be washed, and I normally right now I'm in Border Town because I was driving quick and fast to show you the sports bike. Maybe one day, oh that's my key, one day I'll do it, maybe traveling vlog. Right there, you will see how my bike will be washed. And right now here I have a small radio. You see? Well, good services here. I'm not the guy who faking things. Wow, you know what? We have another kind of the sport bike right here. You see that one here? This is a kind of the sport bike. But one that I show you, man, are more popular. Oh, even the carpet, man, right here. Maybe I'll bring one of my carpets. So right now I have two carpets, but strong one like this one. So I brought here to be washed. I'm telling you. So let me show you guys. Sorry guys, I was coughing. Let me show you guys how my bike have been washed. See right now here. Oh. Come. Oh my god. Wow. And it's well clean, guys, I'm telling you. Oh. That's a Tanzanian car. Can see guys. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. In case you meet my videos and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Yeah, I need my bike to be clean all the time, all the time. And that's the machine. K-Max. Even right now it's clean. Wow. Guys, thank you so much. That's the first coat. So we shall meet on the next video, guys. Bye.